everyone, and here we are again at Layan Green Park, specifically at the construction site of the second phase. And I'm here as usual to tell you about the progress of the construction. To protect the environment and ensure the comfort of our residents, we have installed a metal holder for the protective screens from the dust on buildings G, H, and K. We also submitted another monthly EDGE report, which confirms compliance with high environmental construction standards. In the G building, progress is visible to the naked eye. We are actively working on the installation of interior walls. Everything is already ready on the first and second floors. On the third floor, the process is 90% complete. Also on the third and fourth floors, we have finished pouring the concrete for the plant-growing boxes, which will become part of our landscape design. As I mentioned, the progress of the construction of this building can already be visually assessed. The same can be said for building H. In this building, the installation of interior walls is also actively underway. The second floor is over 90% complete, and the installation of engineering systems is also underway. On floors 2 to 7, we are installing air ducts and drainage pipes, and on the second, third, and fourth floors, we are installing the communications for fire evacuation. In building F, we are working on the reinforcement and pouring the slabs of the basement floor. The foundation in zone 1 is already 80% poured, and the floor of the basement level is 60% complete. And the columns of the first basement floor are 20% complete. In the first zone of building K, we have completed pouring the slab for the fourth floor, and we are currently working on the columns for the fifth. In the second zone of the same building, we have completed pouring the first and second floors, and we are currently working on the concrete for the slabs of the third floor. Excavation work continues at the site of building L, and we are also in the process of concreting the foundation of our future swimming pool, where we will soon be able to relax and enjoy refreshing drinks. Well, that's all the news from our construction site for today. Subscribe so you don't miss any updates. Well, I remind you that now is the perfect time to consider purchasing in the second phase, Layan Green Park. All the details are in the link in the description. I also want to remind you that the first phase of Layan Green Park has already been fully completed and is actively welcoming guests. See you next month.